Good morning, my friends. This is actual baker Rick Seberg in our home in Seabrook, Washington. Getting ready to make some raisin cinnamon scones this morning. Let's do this. Okay, I have got my formula here, which I have printed off onto paper, and putting some ingredients into the bowl, mixing bowl. I have a small KitchenAid mixer. This stuff is baking powder, and then some salt and other stuff goes in. And we are ready to start mixing. Okay, all mixed up, and I'm going to put the dough onto some flour. Press it down a little bit. Yeah, I was just kind of shaping it like a little bit more square there. Important to have flour on the bottom and the top. You can always brush it off when you're done pinning it out. Okay, so pinning it out, I think that's probably about an inch thick. You make them whatever thickness you like. You can see how rich that dough is with raisins. Okay, pinned out, decent. Okay, egg wash across the whole inside because we're going to add cinnamon on top of that. Want the cinnamon to stick well. Could use water, maybe a spray bottle, but egg wash is the best. Just basically one egg, mix it with a fork in a little bowl, and you're good. Which you're also going to use that egg wash right before you bake the scones also, so you need it anyway. Okay, cinnamon on about 2/3 of the dough. Dun 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 dun. Bump, 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 bump. Okay, so fold it in thirds, like a threefold. Important to get as much flour off as you can. Okay, the cinnamon, flop that side over too. Brush it a little. Probably still plenty of flour underneath there, enough to pin it out a little bit. You don't have to go very far. Making it about, once again, about an inch thick. Whatever thickness you like. Okay, so now we got several layers of cinnamon inside cutting them with this fluted square cutter because I like that shape and size. It's like about a one-person size. And you can use a round cutter. I used to use a Bismarck cutter at my store, round cutter, but you know, I saw this cutter and I thought, what a great shape for cinnamon raisin scones. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next part of this. So I did cut the entire piece of raisin scone dough into these squares, reworked the dough a time or two to use the entire piece up, and then I put them in a little freezer container as I showed you a second ago there, and they freeze beautifully, so I can keep them around for you know, weeks and weeks in the freezer, covered like that. And you take them out, thaw them, and bake them as you need them. And yeah, really cool product. Okay, so signing off. Thanks for watching. This is Rick. Bye.